Hey everyone, we're really excited that we can finally see films coming back to life again on the big screen. When you do come, there will be a few more changes. You'll be socially distanced for one thing in the screenings, and we will be using the theatre and the cinema in order to continue to put on a great selection of films that you know and love. If you go to the Arts Centre website, you can see more details about the different protocols we've got in place, but it's all about ensuring that the screenings are safe, comfortable, and that you have a good time as an audience, because we really missed you, and we absolutely cannot wait for you to come back again. We've got a great lineup of films about to sort of spring to life on the screen behind me. We've got the usual stuff that we always do. We have, foreign language films, we have crowd-pleasing films, we have a bit of opera in there, we have family films, we have something for everyone. And I can guarantee that you're going to see some very happy people when you come back into the building, because we're really so excited to welcoming you back again.